So what is a framework, right? So I would like to create a little bit of an analogy here. Think about trading like we are cooking, right? So what happens when cooking? Well, we have ingredients and we have recipes, right? And that's how you end up making something that's going to be tasty, right? So in trading, I know this is a little bit of a non-formal approach to thinking about trading, but definitely very, very practical. In trading, we need a collection of ingredients as well. What are the ingredients that we need? Well, of course, we need tools, the NinjaTrader platform, for example. We need a methodology. So maybe you are a breakout trader, maybe you are a retracement trader, maybe you are a value investor trader, maybe you're a mean reversion trader, you name it. So there you have tools, you have methodologies, and ideally those tools and methodologies, they are there so they give you an edge. If you were to use a methodology that does not give you an edge, so, well, that's not a good beginning, isn't it? Because we need a little bit of a statistical advantage in the marketplace. Of course, market is very large. There are millions of market participants. So it's not like our trades are going to profit 99% of the times. That I've never seen it. Maybe someone, but I never seen it. So let's be realistic. Having an edge means that you may be right, I don't know, 50 plus, 60% of the times, maybe 70 if you're using non-directional option strategies, maybe 80%. Again, different methodologies are different. But what you want is an edge that allows you to compete more efficiently in the market, okay? Now, this is not good enough. This is indeed an important ingredient. Without that ingredient, forget about it. But only that ingredient would not be enough to have a tasty meal, right? So what else do we need as an ingredient point of view? From an ingredient point of view, we need precise rules to manage the trade and the portfolio risk, okay? So managing risk is very important. When we lose, we want to lose in a way that is limited. When we profit, we want to profit in a way that is predetermined and is as generous as possible. And then number three, the other ingredient is we want to keep our emotions under control, because if our emotions are not under control, next thing you know, when it's time to manage risk, you may not manage risk. When it's time to apply a methodology, you may make up a trade that is not following the rules of your trade plan, so meaning that is not part of your methodology, but you still took it. Or maybe you are fearful at the moment and your methodology tells you take a trade and you decided not to because of some reason that you couldn't explain, but the emotions are taking over, right? So all those things could happen, and they happen to all of us. And with work, patience, practice, experience, we end up mastering that, right? And we become better traders.